Advay.
And my name is Aditya.
Today we are going to do another book review of the book called
The Pirate Spacecraft Attack.
This looks something related to pirates and attacks.
Yes, and cats. Ha. So this is a Geronimo Stilton's book, who is
In the parallel universe.
exactly. I didn't think you nailed the pronunciation, but that was good. So anyway, he's the captain of Mousta One.
When he says that it's the most fabulous spaceship in the world, but I don't think it's true.
Fab Mouse. See, he said Fab Mouse because they're mice, so that happens a lot in the book.
Like Mount Sahara instead of Sahara.
Yeah, but I think we can just stop talking about Geronimo Stilton and Geronimo Stilton. It's all the Geronimo Stilton vocabulary.
Geronimo Stilton, Geronimo Stilton.
I should have not got it started. So you should not start speaking at all. That's the best.
Now let's talk about the book.
Yes, exactly. Thanks.
Now your chance.
So, okay. So hologramics. The
onboard computer of Mousta One is sick, and Geronimo Geronimo is told by Sally.
So he's not sick, but he's a kid. He just can't say malfunctioning. So he just says sick
I
instead.
can say manufacturing.
Malfunctioning was the word. So anyway, we can do this later. We'll clear this matter, the two of us. So the hologramics is
Hologramic is trying to be cured by Sally, but then Sally says that he will be cured by her teacher, Professor Titterix.
So other things. Oh yeah, where were we?
Professor Titterix.
Computer malfunctioning, and
I said that Sally said we have to.
Hey, no. Please quiet.
Professor Titterix.
No, let me speak. So where were we? Okay, hologramics malfunctioning. Sally tells Geronimo worried and funny name professor. So anyway, funny name professor, aka Twitterix, is that kind of guy who you would run into a lot. He has this private life of his.
He is very difficult to locate.
Yes. Even though he's not a missile, he's still difficult to locate.
The Geronimo actually finds him.
So yeah, Geronimo and his friends find him. So they wait until next morning to cure hologramics.
But to their surprise, that they cannot see hologramics, and they see Professor Titterix tied up.
Stop cutting me off. So anyway, Professor Twitterix, who definitely uses Twitter, it just says that in his name. See, Twitterix. So Twitterix is tied up, Geronimo finds him, and he tells Geronimo Stiltonix that
these strangers tried to stole hologramics and tied him up.
Yeah, they did not tie hologramics, they have to tie Twitterix up. So according to Twitterix, I just love that name. Twitterix. That happened. Twitterix says that they want to use hologramics for evil. They want to turn him evil.
But now can Geronimo save hologramic, and can he keep him uneven? Read the book to find out.
Okay.
So
You go on.
You say your feedback.
I didn't even get started. Yes, you go.
Feedback, please start.
You know what? He would say so. I'll just set up an example for the. Sorry, but I'll just set up an example. Not that example, but. So anyway, this book was actually pretty good. I like Geronimo Stilton's books.
Since they're not as funny as Geronimo Stilton books.
I don't like them because of that reason. You just spoiled my entire script. I don't even have it written down now. So it will be me on my own today. So So this book was pretty good. Like, I agree, it isn't as funny as Geronimo Stilton, normal Geronimo Stilton books. Thanks for saying that. You have spoiled my script. But they're still pretty good. I like Mouse Star 1, like, and I also like everything related to space, like meteoroids, and I'm kind of interested in space.
Same.
You just can't. You can't. You can't do same.
So I like space and meteorites, comets, asteroids, slime, all.
Seems like slime. Ew. Slime.
So Geronimo Stilton is a bit less funny than Geronimo Stilton, and I really enjoyed him being less funny. So this is the end of today's
And
video.
more clumsy. Less funny and more clumsy.
Yeah, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video with your friends and family.
Do not do this to the video.
And if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is click on that red button. With a subscribe button, until the next video. Bye!
Bye.